And how was your experience with Team Academically while preparing for this journey and the entire, preparation time of yours?
The questions were mainly related to what we had solved in
Mm.
the classes and the MCQs.
Throughout this journey, like any final words for Team Academically? Hello, everyone, and welcome to Academically. And today we are here with you presenting Dr. Himani. She has cleared her Australian Physiotherapy Council written examination, and we are so elated and happy on this. Congratulations, Dr. Himani.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And how are you feeling? How's the feeling at home with family and friends?
I don't think it has still sunk in, but I am happy about it. We were waiting for the results for quite long. They
Yeah.
were declared late, a little late this time compared to last time. But
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy, good, glad that I cleared it.
Right. And I remember in the last alumni meet session, you were there, and I was telling you all that we will meet as well in the next alumni session, and I want to see you all there. And I'm so happy to tell you that almost all the students who were there in that session have cleared the exam, and they will be joining us for the alumni meet session. So, Dr. Himani, like, why Australia and why not any other country for physiotherapy?
So there's no specific reason of why Australia. It's
Mm-hmm.
just that I wanted to go there. I initially planned to go there for my masters,
Mm-hmm.
but then I found about this pathway and I thought I could try this.
And from where did you get to learn about academically?
So about academically, I came through Instagram. So I got to know about Instagram about it from Instagram.
Okay, okay. Great, great, great. And how was your experience with Team Academically while preparing for this journey and the entire, preparation time of yours?
So there is not a lot of material available online for
Mm-hmm.
the exam because the
Mm-hmm.
past papers are not given out. So it
Yes.
was really helpful with all the MCQs and the doubt solving sessions and plus the lectures mainly.
Yes. And you were the one person who had always attended the online lectures. Or if not, then you were the one person who was always watching the recorded lectures, asking doubts on Discord. So you were very, very active. How was your experience regarding the faculties and the topics being explained on the portal?
It was very helpful actually because since I've taken neuro as a specialty and I'm doing masters, I'm basically just learning about neuro at my college. But to
Hmm.
go through the cardio and MSK topics, it was really helpful. It was well in detail and it was enough for the exam.
So, if I talk about one idea of yours, what are the things which a student who is preparing for the APC exam should take care of very, very, like, most importantly?
Uh, the most important thing I feel is to learn how the APC examiners think because
Hmm.
sometimes when you read the question, you think of it in a certain way, and if you read it again, you might think of something different. So that is
Right.
important.
And it's very tricky. So, how did you handle the difficult questions, Dr. Imani?
The questions were mainly related to what we had solved in the classes and the MCQs. The
Mm-hmm.
topic might be a little varying, but the structure of the question used to be similar. So that really helped. And other than that, I think if I got confused, I just went back to the question. I read it again, twice, thrice, or maybe 5 or 6 times also. And
Mm-hmm.
then I used to select an answer.
Yeah, and I must say to everybody that your mock scores were really, really good. And I was expecting this kind of result from you because you had scored very well in both the mocks. It was above 80% in both the mocks, which you had given right before the examination. And exactly you got a successful result similar to your mocks. So it was very good, good, well done. And you were the one person who always used to obey whatever was taught in the class. And if you have any sort of had any sort of query, you were the first one to ask and be vigilant about it. So very, very good. Keep that curiosity always with you. So, like Dr. Himani, throughout this journey, like any final words for Team Academically before we end up with this session?
So honestly, academically has been very, very helpful with all the mainly the MCQs because other than that, I was really blank when I joined the course that how to go about it. There was no resource that I could follow because reading the textbooks at the last moment is not possible.
Right.
So all the lectures were extremely helpful, and every faculty, each staff member is also very helpful. They can clear your doubts easily. So that really helped.
Thank you so much, Dr. Imani. Enjoy your day. Congratulations once again from all of us. And we'll meet on the guidance session on Saturday. and we'll discuss the other things with other peers of yours who have cleared the examination. Dr. Himani, enjoy your day.